350 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and it's still going on. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back with the newspaper of Monday, September the 23rd, 2024. We have only 3 regular puzzles in this puzzle, no extra puzzles. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes, you are interested in the 4 Star Sudoku, number 9317. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 27, just like the previous Sudoku. A 4 Star Sudoku has always 24, well, this one has 3 digits more, should be a 1 star for 1 star puzzle. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. In this row, we need a 4. The first row, yeah. These 3 boxes can be 4 because we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. Well, we see another 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, a should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. 7, need 8, 8, 8. Need 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. That means in this row we need an 8 here. Alright. Need 8. Here, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair, the 7 and 8 in the first column, the 7 and 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7, need a 7 here. Okay. 8 in this column. Last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 9 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Okay. 2, 5. Well, in this column we need a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the only place left with 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 5. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, oh wait, we have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in this row, the 5 and the 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see, one box left in this row for number 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and a 3, cannot fill this yet. Right. The 8 here. Need a 7 here. In this row, wait. In this column, we need a 7. Yeah, almost 6 minutes passed. Let me continue. Let me see. 6. Need a 6 here. 6 there. Okay. Come on. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this second row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier than 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay. In a 2, 2, 2. 2 and the 6. Yep, 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the 2 here. Need a 6 there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Then let me see. Let me the 7 here. 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then let me see. 2, 2. And the 2 here. 2, 1, 3. How about? Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here and the 3. Come on. And I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 2 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, 12 minutes. Almost 30 minutes. Let me give this again a 0 stars. 14, 30 minutes. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.